What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing a bracket for our LS coils. This is something that I have needed for quite a long time, and I just picked this up a few weeks ago, and we also ordered all the parts to make our LS coils coil on plug rather than having to use a spark plug wire like we currently have it set up now. So I literally just got back from the desert a couple days ago. Everything went fucking perfect. If you haven't checked that video out, definitely check it out. I'll have it in one of the corners. One thing that I noticed that I don't think I mentioned on it though is that our coil packs were bouncing around, and that's not good at all. What would have been really bad is if one of the coil packs got behind or in front of another coil pack that is not supposed to, because then it would be firing at the wrong time and we could potentially have detonation, and that would have just been all bad. So thankfully it never got to that point. I was checking and making sure. It seemed like first and second coil pack are the only ones that really moved. The other four were pretty still. They didn't really move too much. So in this box here I have everything that we are going to need. We have the contact springs right here. All this stuff actually came earlier this week, but it only came with 5 of these contact springs, and this is a straight 6 motor, so we couldn't really do anything with just 5 contact springs. So it comes with the contact springs, the boots for the coil packs, and these bolts with spacers for the actual bracket. So first things first, we're going to take all 6 coil packs off. I might even take the catch can lines off just to get them out of the way, make this a clean install. So now we have all the coil packs off, we got the catch can lines off, and the harness is just to the side so you can see the whole valley of where the coil packs will go. Okay, so the way that this goes is this side goes on the coil pack, this side goes on the spark plug, and this right here is going to seal everything. So it'll go on like that. That like brass thing there, that is the actual part of the coil that the spark plug wire clips onto. That is what this spring is going to be put on, and then it's going to be making contact with the spark plug itself. So it should be relatively simple to install. So we'll get all 6 coil packs ready, we'll put them on, and then we will get the bracket ready. So I got the bracket in, it's just loosely mounted, and I think it looks pretty good. It's an improvement over how it used to look for sure. So now we'll get the nuts for the studs, put them on, tighten them down, and then we will plug everything back in and try to start it, make sure everything's good, and then hopefully we're all done. So now we have the nice new bracket in, and I think it looks pretty good. The only thing that I'm a little upset about is that the Wiring Specialties harness doesn't look that great with it, but we will be having the cover back on. We won't have the cover on for a while because I am going to be modifying it, but for now this looks way better than what it looked like before. So before we can finish, we have to start the car up and make sure everything's still looking good. It sounds really good. It's definitely running on all 6 cylinders. So now everything is all done. We don't have to do anything else. Like I said, the cover will be done later. I'm just kind of lazy right now. But yeah, I think this is a huge improvement over what I had. I mean, it was just a mess in there. And now these won't be bouncing around anymore. We won't have to worry about any potential detonation. So we're gonna be all good. Dude, look at how dirty that filter got after just one trip. Jesus Christ. This thing sucks so much air. Oh my god. Seriously though, if you haven't checked out the first desert trip with the RB, because my 240 does go in the dirt. We just got back from that trip with the RB, first time since last January, so it's pretty awesome. Such cool footage in that video, definitely check it out. The car was just amazing, everything went perfectly. So if you want to pick up any of this stuff for yourself, I will have links in the description so you can pick it up. But that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like if you did, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.